So we're super excited. We're planning on going live this week with our new site. Our website that we used to have back in the day was very outdated, and although we tried many different ways to bring it to 2025, 2026, it would still look like a very old school type of website. And I had seen Jordan's emails. He had reached out asking to just for 5 minutes of my time to explain to me what they could do. And at first I was very reluctant, and I'm very glad that I made the phone call and called him. He was very informative, showed us our group, our whole entire board, had a meeting with us, explained to us what they could offer us, what they could do for us, how they could help our site, help our members mostly, make it simple for people to be able to navigate our page and see our products, see our classes. And as of right now, it's looking like this is going to be one of the best things that our organization has done in a long time. This is going to be great for us and great for our members.